Have you ever walked into a gym and felt like you didn't know what to do?
Yeah, that happens to me a lot. Not just sometimes, almost every time.
Really? Even now?
Yeah, I walk in, I look around, and I feel like everyone knows what they're doing except me.
I know that feeling. It's not that the gym is hard, but the first moment feels confusing.
Exactly. It's like everything is moving. People are doing things, and I just stand there.
You just stand there?
Yeah, I open the door, I step inside, and then I stop for a few seconds.
That small pause.
Yeah, that pause. I don't move, I just look around.
What do you see when you look around?
I see machines, a lot of machines, different shapes, different sizes.
Yeah, there are many machines.
I see people lifting weights. Some people are running, some people are just standing and resting.
And you hear music too.
Yeah, I hear music, and I hear people talking.
So it feels busy.
Very busy.
Do you feel comfortable?
Not really. I feel a little lost.
Lost is a good word.
Yeah, like I don't belong there yet.
That's very real.
And I don't like that feeling.
Me neither.
It's not a big problem, but it's uncomfortable.
Right, not big, but still there.
Yeah,
So after you stand there, what do you do next?
I try to move, slowly.
Slowly?
Yeah, I don't want to look strange.
You don't want people to look at you,
Exactly.
even if they're not looking?
Yeah, I still feel like they are.
That happens to a lot of people.
Yeah.
Let's imagine you take a few steps inside.
Okay, I walk forward slowly.
Where do you go?
I don't really know. I just walk.
You just walk.
Yeah, I look at one machine, then another machine.
Do you understand what they do?
Not really. Some look simple, some look complicated.
So what do you do?
I just look. I don't touch anything yet.
You just observe.
Yeah, I just watch.
What do you watch?
I watch people. I watch how they use the machines.
You learn by watching.
Yeah, I try to understand by watching.
That's actually very common.
Yeah, I think many people do that.
Do you feel better when you watch others?
A little. At least I don't feel completely lost.
Not completely lost.
Yeah.
Do you talk to anyone at that moment?
No, not really.
Why not?
Because I don't know what to say.
That's honest.
Yeah, I don't want to ask the wrong thing.
So you stay quiet.
Yeah, I stay quiet.
And you keep looking around?
Yes.
That first moment in the gym is always like that.
Yeah, it always starts like that for me.
And slowly you get a little more comfortable.
Very slowly.
But still, that first feeling stays.
Yeah, it stays for a while.
So now you are inside the gym and you are still looking around.
Yeah, I'm still trying to understand what's going on.
Then someone comes up to you.
Yeah, that usually happens.
How do you feel when that happens?
A little nervous again.
Again?
Yeah, because I know they will talk to me.
And you're not sure you will understand.
Exactly.
Let's imagine that moment.
Okay.
Someone walks up to you and says something.
Yeah, something like first time?
Do you understand that?
Yeah, that part is easy.
So what do you say?
I say, yeah.
Short answer again.
Yeah, I like short answers.
Then what happens?
Then they start explaining something.
And that's when it gets difficult.
Yeah, that's when I get confused.
Why?
Because they speak fast.
Too fast.
Way too fast.
Do you understand anything?
Maybe one word here and there.
Like what?
Maybe machine, or start, or wait.
Just small pieces.
Yeah, just small pieces.
Not enough to understand everything.
Not at all.
So what do you do?
I just nod.
You nod like you understand,
Yeah, I nod.
even when you don't understand.
Yeah,
Why do you do that?
because I don't want to stop them.
You don't want to say, I don't understand.
Yeah, I feel a little shy.
That's very common.
Yeah, I think many people do the same.
Do you feel comfortable when you nod?
Not really,
Why not?
because I know I don't understand.
So inside you feel unsure,
Yeah, very unsure.
but outside you look okay.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's like I'm pretending.
Pretending to understand.
Yeah.
And then they show you something.
Yeah, they point to a machine.
Do you understand what they mean?
Not really, but I follow.
You follow anyway,
Yeah,
because you don't want to ask again.
exactly.
So now you are standing in front of a machine.
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
What do you see?
I see a seat, I see handles, I see weights on the side.
Do you know how to use it?
Not really.
So what do you do?
I sit down slowly.
Carefully.
Yeah, very carefully.
Why carefully?
Because I don't want to do it wrong.
You are afraid of making a mistake.
Yeah, a little.
That's normal.
Yeah.
What do you do after you sit?
I look at the handles.
Do you touch them?
Yeah, slowly.
And then?
I try to move them.
Do they move easily?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That sounds confusing.
It is.
Do you look at other people?
Yes, I look around.
What do you see?
I see someone using a similar machine.
And you watch them.
Yeah, I watch them carefully.
What do they do?
They sit, they hold the handles, and they push or pull.
So you try the same thing,
Yeah, I copy them.
even if you're not sure.
Yeah, even if I'm not sure.
How do you feel when you do that?
A little awkward.
Awkward again.
Yeah, that feeling again.
But you still try.
Yeah, I still try.
And slowly you understand a little more.
Yeah, just a little.
So now you are sitting on the machine and trying to use it.
Yeah, I'm trying, but I'm not very sure.
What happens when you start?
At first, nothing. I push a little, then I stop.
You're testing it.
Yeah, I'm testing it.
Then what?
Then I try again, a little stronger.
Does it feel right?
Not really. It feels strange.
Strange how?
Like I'm not using it the right way.
That feeling.
Yeah, I don't like that feeling.
Do you stop?
No, I keep going.
You keep going even if you're not sure.
Yeah, because I don't want to look lost again.
So you continue.
Yeah, I move the handles up and down.
And then?
Then I notice something.
What?
Someone next to me is looking at me.
Looking at you?
Yeah, just for a second.
And how do you feel?
A little embarrassed.
Embarrassed.
Yeah, I think I'm doing it wrong.
That thought comes quickly.
Very quickly.
Do you stop at that moment?
Yeah, I stop.
You stop completely.
Yes, I stop and look at the machine again.
What do you see now?
I see the seat again, I see the handles, I see the weights.
Same things, but now you're thinking more.
Yeah, I try to understand.
Do you adjust anything?
Yeah, I move the seat a little.
You change the position.
Yes, just a little.
And then?
I try again.
Slowly?
Yeah, slowly.
Does it feel better?
A little better.
Not perfect.
Not perfect, but better.
That's a good step.
Yeah, I feel a bit more confident.
Even after the mistake.
Yeah, even after the mistake.
So the mistake helped you.
I think so.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I learned from it.
Without anyone telling you.
Exactly.
So now you understand a little more, but not everything.
Yeah, I feel better, but I'm still not sure.
Do you think about asking someone?
Yeah, I think about it.
But do you do it?
Not right away.
Why not?
Because I don't know what to say.
That's the hard part.
Yeah, I don't want to say something complicated.
So what do you do?
I wait a little.
You wait again.
Yeah, I always wait first.
And then?
Then I see someone nearby.
Someone working there?
Yeah, maybe a trainer.
Do you go to them?
Slowly, yes.
Slowly again.
Yeah, I walk slowly.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking, keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Yeah.
So what do you say?
I say, this?
Just one word.
Yeah, just this?
And you point.
Yes, I point at the machine.
That's very clear.
Yeah, I don't need many words.
What happens next?
Then they show me.
They demonstrate.
Yeah, they sit and use the machine.
And you watch.
I watch very carefully.
What do you notice?
I notice the position. I notice how they move.
Small details.
Yeah, small details.
Do you understand better now?
Yes, much better.
So asking helped.
Yeah, even just one word helped.
That's powerful.
Yeah, I didn't need a full sentence.
Just this
Just this
and pointing.
and pointing.
Simple but effective.
Very effective.
So now you go back to the machine.
Yeah, I go back.
Do you feel different?
Yes, I feel more sure.
More sure.
Yeah, not perfect, but more sure.
That's good.
I sit down again.
Same machine.
Yes, same machine.
What do you do this time?
I adjust the seat first.
You remember that.
Yeah, I remember.
And then?
I hold the handles correctly.
Like you saw before.
Exactly.
And then you move.
Yes, I push slowly.
How does it feel now?
It feels right.
Right.
Yeah, it feels smooth.
That's a big difference.
Very big.
How do you feel inside?
I feel good.
Good.
I feel more confident.
That's the key.
Yeah, I'm not worried anymore.
No more awkward feeling?
Not really.
Maybe a little.
Yeah, maybe a little, but much less.
That's progress.
Yeah, real progress.
And now you keep going.
Yes, I repeat the movement.
Again and again.
Yeah, again and again.
And each time feels easier.
Yes, each time feels easier.
That's how you learn.
Yeah, step by step.
Simple steps.
Simple steps.
And now you're not lost anymore.
No, not lost anymore.
Just learning.
Yeah, just learning.
So now you are using the machine correctly.
Yeah, I feel much